Claude Code and Antigravity just gave us the biggest unfair advantage when it comes to creating content on social media, and most people have no idea that it exists. Most creators are spending 2 hours every single day manually reposting their content across platforms. Every hour you spend copying and pasting captions or resizing your videos is an hour you're not spending creating better content or closing deals. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a one-click content distribution system that takes a TikTok URL and publishes your video to YouTube Shorts, Instagram, X, and LinkedIn, all with platform-specific captions. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Duncan Rogoff. I'm a former art director for brands like Apple, PlayStation, and Nissan, and I now run a 6-figure AI agency. In under 12 months, I've grown a following of over 110,000 people, and I lead a community called The Build Room, where more than 2,000 are already using AI to grow their audience and generate leads for their business in under 3 hours per week. Now, you can reclaim 10+ hours a week, stay consistent across every platform, and scale to 100,000 subscribers without burning out. Stick around to the end because I'm going to show you how to turn this into a Claude skill so you can recreate this process every time. So focus in, close all your open tabs, and let's build. So this all started as an N8N workflow originally, but N8N has gotten a little bit clunky and ugly to look at. And so basically I want to try to recreate this setup inside of Antigravity using Claude Code. So let me just walk you through at a high level what it does, and then I'm going to delete this repurpose setup guide and start completely from scratch. If you want to get access to the setup guide, the N8N workflow, any of the code that we built today, it'll be available for you inside the community at the link in the description. If you never installed Antigravity before, just come over to antigravity.google, download this, sign in with your Google name and password, and you are all good to go. So basically, what does this do? All it does is it's going to take a TikTok video. We're just going to give it the URL. It's going to natively repurpose this to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, X, or Twitter, and LinkedIn. And it's basically just going to write platform-specific captions based off of the best practices for each platform. It's a relatively straightforward workflow. It's going to use the Blotato MCP, which just came out. If you don't know, Blotato is a great platform for creating faceless videos or repurposing your content, but its API and now the MCP is one of my favorite things about it. It just is so easy to integrate all of your social platforms. So there's really only a couple of things that we need. We need access to the Blotato MCP, and we need access to a video link from a TikTok video. It's going to upload your videos to a site called tempfile.org, which is totally free to upload anything, and there's no API, it's totally free, but it is temporary, hence the name, and so it will get deleted after a certain time. And so if you want to host this someplace more permanent, that's up to you. Today, we're just going to use tempfile because it's easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this because we don't really need to know anything else. I do want to do this in Claude Code. You can do this inside of Antigravity. It has a couple of different models. This is the agent right here. I have found that Claude Code is just freaking awesome and is my favorite thing to use. Likewise, if you've never installed Claude Code inside of Antigravity, just come over to the extensions over here, search for Claude. It should be the first thing that comes up. It's just going to be this Claude for VS Code. So just go ahead. There'll be a button here for you to install this, and you should be all good to go after you log in with your Anthropic credentials. I really even think before we start talking to Claude Code, it's really helpful for us to get access to the Blotato MCP, because that's really the only thing that Antigravity is going to need in order to set this up for us. So if you log into your Blotato account, you come down here into settings. All you have to do is you can log in with any one of these accounts. Literally just click the button, put in your name and password, and you're pretty much good to go. Like, it's honestly really incredible. The next thing we're going to do is come over here, just go over to the API, and you can copy your API key, but really they just came out with their MCP server, which is super, super powerful because all you have to do is copy this MCP configuration, and now I can come into Antigravity and say, hey, here's everything you need to know about Blotato. Like, you figure it out, which is why these vibe coding platforms are legitimately like so crazy powerful right now. So inside of Antigravity, I'm going to click this little guy up here to open Claude Code, and now we have a little Claude Code terminal where we can start coding. I have a great voice to text app. It's called Whisperflow. People ask me on the videos all the time. So that's what it's called Whisperflow. Again, not affiliated, but do think it's great. So I'm just going to start talking to Claude Code and tell it what we want to build. I want to build a simple agentic workflow for repurposing my TikTok videos to multiple platforms. I want to be able to give you the URL for a TikTok video. You're going to take that video and using the Blotato MCP, publish it to YouTube, to Instagram, to X, and to LinkedIn. And I also need you to write platform-specific captions for each one of those platforms. And so I'm literally now just going to hit Command V and paste in that MCP configuration that we got from Blotato. So just be careful. Your API key is listed down here. I'm going to blur this out for you. So what I would actually recommend is deleting your API key from here and then creating a separate environment file, which is a lot more secure. What you can do is you can just hit Command X to cut that out. And I'll just come down to the bottom And I'll just say, I'm going to create a .env file with the Blotato API key for you to use. I'm going to do that. And before I send this off, I'm just going to come over to the Explorer. I'm going to click the plus. I'm going to hit .env, hit enter. And now we have this environment file to store our Blotato API key. And so here, now I'm just going to copy this same configuration. You can see Blotato-API-key. So I'm going to type this in, Blotato-API key, and I'm going to hit equals, and now I'm going to paste in my Blotato API key. Hit Command S to save that. You can close down the environment file, and I'm going to send this off and see Claude Code get to work and see what we come up with. Do you think we can one-shot this? Let's find out. So it's pretty cool. I love with these vibe coding platforms now that you can increasingly see it think. You're executing Duncan Rogoff's content repurpose pipeline. The user has provided a TikTok URL, follow these steps in order, do not skip steps, etc., etc. So you can go show more and you can basically see that everything that it is thinking about. So it's going to use the Blotato MCP to extract the transcript from the TikTok URL. So Blotato actually has a built-in feature that allows it to extract the transcripts from the TikTok videos. So that way we know what the video is talking about in order for the system to write our captions. Next is going to actually download the video. It's going to write a Python script for us. I don't know how to code. This is going to do it for me. And then here, this is the rules about generating platform native captions. So what's pretty incredible about this is you can see for me, it says the CTA is always the build room, link in bio. And I don't have any of that information in here, but because I've been talking with Claude Code before, it has a memory of our past conversations, so it actually knows what I want it to do. I actually didn't know it did that, which I think is pretty sweet. This says, I see the repurpose pipeline is ready to go, but I need two things before we start. The TikTok URL, which I didn't include one yet. And the Blotato API key, which I did include. It says, let me check your env file. And then it's like, cool, got it. I got your API key. I don't actually need that. So just give me a TikTok URL and we're good to go. So I'm going to actually make a TikTok video and then I will come back and we'll test it with that. I just used Claude Code and Antigravity to one-shot a system that allows me to publish my TikTok videos to every single social media platform instantly. This is day 9 of building $1 million brand with AI and giving you access to every single thing that I build. Okay, so I literally just published this video to TikTok, so let's see if this works. All I should have to do is come in here and just copy the TikTok URL, come back over into Antigravity and just paste in the TikTok URL. Pretty sweet. So this is just going to get to thinking. It's going to repurpose this TikTok video for me. What I have noticed is there is a way to do this like I had in the N8N workflow using an RSS feed, which basically would just monitor my TikTok account, and anytime I publish a video, it's going to get published automatically across the platforms. But what I have found is that the RSS feed actually takes a while to pick up the video once it's been published. So it's just faster to come in here and give this the URL. So now you don't have to be wondering if the system's actually going to pick up your video or not. So what I did notice, it says the TikTok video doesn't have a subtitle track, so Blotato couldn't extract a transcript. And this is likely just because I just published the video to TikTok and TikTok isn't done processing the transcript yet. That being said, it was able to successfully pull in the description. So it's probably just going to use the description to generate content for our specific platforms. Right now, it's uploading the video to tempfiles.org. It's generating platform native captions. You can see it has one for YouTube Shorts. It's pretty cool because for YouTube Shorts, actually, you get a title and a description. So it's 2 different fields. So it went ahead and did both of those. Instagram Reels, created my Instagram Reels thing, X, Twitter, LinkedIn. So did all of this. Captions look good. Do I want to change anything? I'll just say, nope, these look good. Please publish it. So this says the repurpose is complete. It published all of these platforms. It included the link. So I'm left to believe that this worked. If I come over to YouTube, you can see that this actually just published day 9 with no views. Let me see what happens if I come over here and come to my Instagram channel. Also, my Instagram sucks, so if you're watching this, just please give me a follow. I drop freebies in here all the time. So we can see day 9 Claude Code, super cool. So if I come over to LinkedIn and refresh the page, my video is published here, all ready to go. If I come over to X, the video is published on X, ready to go. Everything is looking good. So one last thing that I like to do when I have a process like this that I know that I'm going to be repeating over and over again is I like to create a skill. Basically, Claude Code has these things called skills, which allow you to go through a proven, repeatable, consistent process every single time. So I've already added this to the folder here just so you can see it. And this is basically the meta skill. It allows you to create new skills. So I've just added this to the folder here. I'll give you access to it inside the classroom if you want it, or you can just go to GitHub. That's fine. It's free. But what's pretty cool is this just allows you to create new skills from any process that you think you're going to be coming back to. So all you have to do is type in / and skill and then hit tab to bring up the skill creator skill. And you could just say Based off of the process that we just learned to repurpose our content on multiple platforms, can you please create a brand new repurpose skill for this? So then you would just go ahead and send this off, and Claude Code is going to get to work creating a brand new skill for you. I have already done this for repurpose. And so if I just type in slash and go to repurpose, all I have to do is hit slash repurpose, paste in the link of the TikTok video. The thing works, it publishes to all of my social accounts instantly. So as I always do, I always add everything to the community here. So I'm just going to go ahead, add this resource file for the repurpose skill itself. I'm just going to add this here, say repurpose skill. If you want, you can come in here and get access to this along with all of the other training, all of the other resources that I have to help you find new leads for your business, grow your audience, drive traffic to your offer, and so much more. If you thought this video was cool, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how to use anti-gravity better than 99% of all the other people out there, check out this video right here. I'll see you over there.